folks, I have a baritone to show you. This is one I made for myself. And I think Nicole's going to borrow it for the winter or for the near future because she needs a baritone in her band and I don't have any gigs coming up. So what's special about this instrument is the whole body is made of cherry. But it's not the kind of cherry you get from the lumber mill, which is usually like wild-grown eastern cherry. This is orchard cherry from here in the Hood River Valley. So it's softer than normal cherry, but that actually makes it suitable for top, back, and sides of an instrument. Kind of in the same way that I think mahogany, myrtle, mango, koa, they're all kind of a medium wood that's good for all three. So this was the first one we tried with that. And it's going pretty good. The whole thing, like, it's one of those ukes where the whole thing just vibrates in your body, which is pretty cool. So it's not the brightest uke I've made, but maybe that's a good thing. And then the neck is hemlock. That's also a local tree. And then the rest is walnut from here in Hood River that I milled. Little rope rosette in there. It's got a pickup in it. I think Nicole's going to switch this over to GCEA, even though it's a baritone, which should sound pretty good. And I've got plenty of this cherry. I intend to use it for ukes and for banjo ukes. So if you like this look, drop me a line. So in the Northwest, a lot of cherry trees that are used in orchards, the trunks only end up being about 4 feet tall and pretty big around because they just prune it and trim it every single year. So they don't really get really big. So these stumps are small. There's a lot of work to turn these into usable material. But if I didn't use them, they usually just get burned. And not even just burned in fireplaces, they just bulldoze them and burn them in the field, in the orchard. So this tree's probably 50 years old, maybe a little bit more. When they stop making fruit, you know, they need to plant new ones. Okay, so that is number 927. My first all-cherry ukulele. Cheers.